15 attic bathrooms to inspire your next renovation. Create the ultramodern attic bathroom of your dreams with these ideas spotted in this wet room by architect Heather A. Wilson. Pristine white walls throw focus to the room's sharp angles, making the sloped walls feel architecturally dramatic. Subway tile half walls add both beauty and waterproofing function. Next to the contemporary drop-in bathtub is a large window that makes the most of natural light. Transform a portion of your attic into a peaceful oasis with a large clawfoot tub as shown in this bathroom by interior design firm RC Studio. The beadboard half walls and penny-tiled floor both contribute to the bathroom's old-timey vibe. The upper walls and ceiling are a relaxing shade of dove gray paint. Marble and shiplap are the two main ingredients in this lovely attic bathroom by JAS Design and Build. The marble-topped vanity was placed where the sloped ceiling is highest. At the ceiling's lowest point is a built-in storage cabinet and tub. A smaller-than-average toilet maximizes floor space. Painting the paneled walls a shade of light blue and keeping the trim and ceiling bright white lends visual depth. Here is an incredibly chic and cozy bathroom by JAS Design and Build. Penny tile floor and beadboard walls are an irresistible combination that makes the bathroom super inviting. The tub has a marble topper and backsplash, which adds to the overall sense of luxury. Two bathroom windows bring in plenty of light, and since the view is of the roof, there are no worries about privacy. This lovely attic bathroom by Laura Tutun Interiors combines pale gray walls with ivory beadboard panels, and white fixtures. The entire bathroom was designed around the sloped ceiling, which is a striking architectural feature. The pretty vanity is topped off with Carrara marble. Above it is a built-in medicine cabinet with mirror. When it comes to enduring style, you cannot beat the white hexagon floor tile as shown. Nothing spells out luxury like an attic bathroom covered in expensive Calcutta marble as seen in this bathroom made by interior designer Anne Loengard. But wait, there's more. The vaulted ceiling features a skylight that fills the shower with a seamless glass wall and door with natural light during the day. Shaker-style cabinetry provides plenty of storage space for towels and toiletries, and the frosting on this proverbial cupcake is the marble herringbone tiled floor. People with larger families will appreciate this large attic bathroom built to accommodate kids by Recamp Larson Architects. The shiplap walls draw the eyes upward to the vaulted ceiling with a large skylight. An industrial-inspired rod and curtain conceal the bathing area outfitted with several shower stalls. A stylish Moravian star-shaped pendant light brightens the way. There are plenty of hooks to hang towels. Two large porcelain washstands provide space to wash hands and brush teeth. This cozy attic bathroom by Claire Zinnecker Design features black and white hexagon tile punctuated by retro flower patterns. A built-in shower bench adds relaxing convenience. Not shown in the photo is the considerable dormer window near the ceiling. What's not to love about this large attic bathroom by interior designer David Netto? The crowning jewel in the space is the sizable freestanding tub. Above, rustic wood beams highlight the dramatic sloped ceiling. The incredibly inviting bathroom built for a couple also has two identical pedestal sinks for added convenience. Spruce up an attic powder room with patterned wallpaper. Interior designer Aaron Gates punched up this space with different designs. On the walls is a pretty birch tree pattern, and the built-in hamper and door are accented with a black and gold graphic design. Note the small pedestal sink. Its curved design has a tiny footprint. The high vaulted ceiling makes this narrow attic bathroom by Kathleen Walsh Interiors feel much bigger than its actual size. Rough-hued wood beams add to the room's relaxing rustic vibe. The table-style vanity on the left features two bowl-style sinks. The photo only shows one perched below a large framed mirror. Strategically placed ceiling lights brighten up the bathroom at night. Bathe under the sun or stars depending on the time of day in this attic bathroom thanks to a perfectly placed dormer window. The space created by design firm Royal Roulette turns the sloped ceiling with beam supports into a striking feature that separates the bathing space from the vanity. The oak floors lend visual warmth to the crisp, white space. Give your attic bathroom a cottage vibe with these decorating tricks from Threshold Interiors, NYC. Here the design team covered the existing walls with vertical shiplap boards. Next, they installed a stylish trough sink with a distinctive retro look. Between two vintage barn sconces is our favorite feature, a nautically inspired rope-hung mirror. Instead of seeing sloped ceilings as a curse to work around, embrace them. It is precisely what design firm Pencil and Paper Company did when creating this attic bathroom. They placed a floating vanity inside of a nook created by an odd-angled wall. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.